In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a meeting in Google Meet and choose the right microphone so your audio comes through loud and clear. First, open your web browser and head to Google Meet. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, take a moment to sign in so you can access all features. When your browser asks for permission to use your camera and microphone, click Allow. This is essential for your audio to work in the meeting. On the Google Meet landing page, look for the New Meeting button. Give it a click. A small menu will appear with different ways to begin. For a quick, no-fuss call, choose Start an Instant Meeting. This immediately opens a meeting room so you can get set up without scheduling anything. Once your meeting opens, glance at the controls along the bottom of the screen. You'll see options for your camera, microphone, and more. Here, click the option labeled Highlight. This brings up the in-meeting controls you need to focus on your setup. It's a helpful way to quickly access what matters most for your audio and video. Now, let's choose the right microphone. Find the microphone control and open its device selector. You may see several microphone options, especially if you've plugged in USB headsets, external webcams, or have a built-in laptop mic. Pick the microphone you actually intend to use. Often it will include the name of your headset, USB mic, or camera. After you click your preferred microphone, watch for a visual input meter or activity indicator. If the meter moves when you speak, that's a great sign your voice is being captured. Go ahead and click the selected microphone again to confirm your choice, making sure it's checked or highlighted. Speak a few words out loud and verify your microphone icon isn't muted. If you don't see any movement in the input meter, double-check that your browser still has permission to use the mic, and make sure no other app is holding exclusive control. Unplugging and replugging USB devices, then reselecting the mic, can also help. Headphones are a smart addition to reduce echo and feedback for everyone on the call. That's it. You've opened Google Meet, started an instant meeting, accessed the highlight controls, and selected the correct microphone. With your audio confirmed, you're ready to collaborate confidently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meeting.